Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Windows Update is current so theme components behave correctly. Once done, press Win+I to open settings and navigate to personalization themes to begin. You should save your current theme before changes so you can revert. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize, then save theme for sharing. This avoids losing icon positions, accent colors, or custom wallpapers if something changes unexpectedly. Now you're ready to pick or create a new theme. Next, you customize the core elements that make a theme unique. Select a built-in theme or open the Microsoft Store to browse and install more. Installed themes appear immediately. Once chosen, tweak wallpaper, color, sounds, and mouse cursor independently so each element matches your intent. Use accent color controls to set automatic based on wallpaper, or enter manual RGB or HEX values for precise color. Make sure to check high contrast options only if needed. They change more than just colors. Save frequently as you iterate. Finally, save and propagate your theme properly. Click Save to export your customized theme as a .mepec file so you can reapply or share it later. Once saved, enable sync-in settings accounts to replicate theme settings across devices linked to the same Microsoft account. If a theme element doesn't appear, like wallpaper not applying, restart the theme service or reinstall the theme package. Make sure files aren't blocked by security settings. If problems persist, reapply default, then redo changes to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.